Starlight Cinema has 15 rows of seats with 18 seats in each row. At a Tuesday matinee, only 16 seats were taken. How many seats are still available? Well, let's take a look at this step by step. First, we need to find the total number of seats in the whole theater. There are 15 rows, and each row has 18 seats. So in order to find out how many total seats there are, that's 15 groups of 18. That means 15 times 18. Now we move on to a second operation that involves 16. So if that happens, we need to wrap the first operation in parentheses before we do anything with the second operation. Now, the next thing we're told is that we are told there are 16 seats that were taken. To find out how many were still available, we're going to have to get rid of the 16 that's there. So I need to take that 16 and subtract it from this quantity here. So this looks like an order of operations problem. So I'm going to use PEMDAS. Well, let me quickly remind you, not prickly, but quickly remind you what PEMDAS stands for. The P in PEMDAS stands for do everything inside the parentheses first. The E stands for then do exponents. Then the MD means you multiply, divide left to right. That does not mean you automatically multiply first. That means you just go left to right, and whatever you have one of these, you just do it left to right. Same thing with addition, subtraction. Doesn't mean you always add first. You just go left to right, and if that means you subtract left to right or whatever first, you go that first. Okay? So anyway, we have parentheses. So let's do everything inside the parentheses first. Now that's 15 times 18. If you don't know what 15 times 18 is, there's nothing wrong with going off to the side and doing the old school way of multiplying 15 times 18. So 8 times 5 is 40. So that is a 0. Carry over a 4. 1 times 8 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Get rid of that number so I don't accidentally reuse it again. Moving over to the 1, I have to drop down to 0. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 1 is 1. Add these numbers up. 0 and 0 make 0. 2 and 5 make 7. 1 and 1 make 2. So 15 times 180 is 270. Now we subtract 16. The nice thing is we're done with the parentheses. There's no exponents. Multiply, divide. Nah, I don't have to worry about that. And all I have to do is just subtract. So 270 minus 16 is going to be 254. Now, this is a word problem, and the question is asking how many seats were still available. So we have to use a word at least in our answer. So we will say 254 seats. And that's our guy.